What up? Welcome back to Wilson's For Real. Shout out to the Real Squad. Squad up. If you would like to be part of the Real Squad, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment to Wilson's For Real. Boom. What up, y'all? I bet y'all wondering why I'm sitting here. Well, you probably could tell from the thumbnail. But I went to Popeyes. I'm trying out the new, I'm gonna roll this window down some. I'm trying out the new honey hot chicken. So, take a look at that honey hot chicken right there. Come with a biscuit. Biscuit look mad hard, but we're gonna see what they working with. I got some fries and some mashed potatoes. But I want to try out this honey hot chicken and see what it was talking about. Saw a couple of people reviewing it. I thought I'd do it too, you know? Why not? Let me go on and say grace. Y'all know how we do it. Grace. Do a little thumbnail. So I ain't gonna really waste no time. I'ma just get it in, you dig? Let's see. He gave me a leg and a breast. A leg and a breast. You see that? It's like they put some type of little honey hot glaze on her. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's almost like they took the sweet heat sauce that they have and mixed it with hot sauce almost. A little fly here. So it's pretty good. The honey hot chicken. It's always appreciated when you go to a Popeyes and the chicken is fresh. Chicken's pretty fresh. Now this biscuit though, ain't no butter on it. It don't look It's alright. I ain't never really been a fan of Popeyes biscuits. Look at this one. This one really sopped up in it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm feeling that. And it's fresh too. Fresh to death. Like I be. That's good. So the honey hot meal is $5. Come with two pieces of chicken, a side, no drink. No drink. Okay. I got the mashed potatoes, I think. Yeah, mashed potatoes and gravy. But this honey hot chicken smacking. I can dig it. I can see myself going back for that. But if they take it off the menu, really all you got to do is get the sweet heat, put some hot sauce, and put it on your chicken, and you'll have pretty much the same thing. So I'm glad it wasn't like no outrageous price. It's $5 for a 2-piece, basically. It's a 2-piece meal. And they put the little honey hot sauce on there. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. To me. Look how skeet they did me on the mashed potatoes, bro. That was like a little baby scoop. With a baby scoop. That was literally a baby scoop. That was a baby scoop. I guess that's all I needed, huh? A little baby scoop. Baby scoop. That thing was gone in 3 little bites. I like smashed it. Smashed it. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat that biscuit. I'm not gonna even play around. I'm not gonna eat that biscuit. But it was cool. So I got my Corey Bush shirt on. Shout out to Corey Bush. But yeah, man, we in campaign season right now. So make sure y'all get out here and vote. Make sure y'all fill out the census. Make sure y'all tell somebody else to vote. Also, while we talking about voting, make sure y'all check y'all voter registration. Double check your voter registration. Make sure it's up to par, up to date. If you moved, make sure you update that. We got to really push the vote on every platform. We got anytime we get an opportunity to talk about it, we need to make sure we informing the people about voting, about the upcoming elections, all that type of stuff. That chicken was good, though. That chicken was good, though. That chicken was good. That chicken was good, though. Nah, hey, real talk, though. Make sure y'all vote, man. It's an important election. Every election is important, but got to get the Cheeto man up out of there. I think I'm finna go in here and chill with the kids. I have to come out in the garage and eat my food. If y'all can tell, I'm like in the garage. I'm in my car, but I'm in the garage. It's like peaceful out here. I got a good view of my neighbors' houses. I'm gonna stuck in my teeth. But well, man, just wanted to give y'all a review of the new honey hot chicken from Popeyes. Probably shouldn't be doing it on camera. Whatever. So on a scale of 1 to 5, I get a honey hot chicken a 4.5. It was good. 1, it was fresh. 2, the honey hot brings a different like dynamic to the chicken that's already good. And I think it was original. It wasn't a spicy chicken. It was just the original chicken. And it was good. Y'all ever have one stuck in your mouth and couldn't get it out? There we go. I guess that's what floss is for, huh? But shout out to everybody that's been rocking with us, man. We appreciate you tuning into our channel every time we post a video, showing support, showing love. We appreciate it. You know, we don't take it for granted. Usually my wife would be right here, but she at work, so I'm solo dolo. But make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, follow us on all our social media platforms. We definitely gonna be pushing the issue of voting, because it's definitely important. And I know some of y'all say, "Oh, you're tired of hearing it every time it's an election." Yeah, you should be tired of hearing it. You should be so tired of hearing it that you go tell somebody else as well and get on their nerves with it. So I don't care if you're tired of hearing someone say go vote, because a lot of people sacrificed a whole lot for especially black people and women to have the right to vote. So we need to be talking about it as much as possible. And with that being said, your boy up out this thing. If you haven't tried the honey hot chicken from Popeyes, check it out. Type in the description your thoughts on it. Not the description, in the comments. Type in the comments your thoughts on the honey hot chicken. See if it matches up to my experience. With that being said, your boy up out this thing. I'ma holler at ya.